Hello, my name is Craig, and I just finished the tune-up on the bike. I've got the Two Brothers exhaust. I've got the Power Commander installed. I even got the stickers on. New Can Am green filter. Also the Baja Run front end. And I did a full synthetic oil change. Adjusted the suspensions. And basically got it ready for more passenger orientated riding. I do have saddlebags for the bike as well, but I just haven't put them back on yet after the work. Anyway, here's what it sounds with the Two Brothers. That's the lights that I have on the bike. I've got the LEDs and the projectors. She runs really great. Check engine light came with it, but I'm working that out with tech support from Power Commander right now. And but they're telling me it's nothing to worry about. This happens with the open loop that they have to put into the exhaust. Anyway, she's ready to go.